Now let us discuss about construct splay tree using the elements 20, 10, 60, 40, 50, 30. So this is nothing but splay tree insertion operation. On splay tree mainly we can perform three operations such as insertion, deletion and searching. So this example comes under insertion operation. Okay. In the last video we have seen about splay tree rotations. I will share that video link in the description as well as first comment. If you have knowledge on splay tree rotations, then only we can solve this problem. Okay. So first let us insert the first element. So insert 20. Initially the tree is empty, so we can insert 20 as the root node. So 20 is nothing but root node. Next, insert 40. Insert what is the next element? 10. Insert 10. Here the splay tree is nothing but binary search tree only. So left subtree contains less than the root, right subtree contains greater than the root. So first node is 20. So next to 10, 10 is less than 20. So insert as left child. Here after performing every operation, we have to do the splaying. What is splaying? The most recently accessed element will be moved to the root node. So here what is the recently accessed node? 10. So we have to move 10 to the root node. So for that we have to perform some rotation. So which rotation we have to perform? So this is nothing but left child. So left child means we have to perform right rotation. So right rotation means zig rotation. Zig rotation. Splay off. So here what is the node? 20 is the node. So let us write 20. So move 10 one position to the right. So move 20 one position to the right. So now 10 will become a root node. So 10 right child is 20. So here what is the recently accessed node? 10. So now 10 is root node. So we can stop the process. Next insert 60. So what is the previous tree? Root node is 10. So 10 right child is 20. Next, what is the next node? 60. 60 is greater than 10. So right child. 60 is greater than 20. So right child. So attach as the right child. So next we have to perform the splaying operation. Splay operation. So which rotation we have to perform? So this is 20 is nothing but right child of 10. 60 means right child of 20. So we have to perform here right child. Right child means we have to perform two double rotations. Why? Because here what is the inserted node? 60. Here this target node. This node is called as target node. So this target node has parent as well as grandparent. So we have to perform two rotations. So which rotations we have to perform? Here these are right children's. So that's why we have to perform left to rotations. Left to rotations. Okay. So here left to rotation means jag rotation. Jag rotation. Here jag. Next zig-zag means the first rotation will be performed on the grandparent. First rotation is performed on the grandparent, whereas second rotation is performed on the parent. Okay. Whereas different, that means jag-zig, whereas zig-zag means first rotation is performed on parent, whereas second rotation is performed on grandparent. Okay. So here jag. So two are same only. So first rotation is performed on this grandparent. So grandparent is 10. So splay of 10. Splay of 10. Okay. Jag means left rotation. Left rotation. So now move 20 one position to the left. So move 10 one position to the left. move 60 one position to the left. Next also we have to perform another left rotation. So that means jag rotation. Now perform splay operation on. So here the target node is 60. So first rotation is performed on the grandparent. So second rotation will be performed on the parent. So splay of 20. Splay of 20. So which rotation? Left rotation. Left rotation. Jag means left rotation. So now move 60 one position to the left. So 60. Move 20 one position to the left. Move 10 one position to the left. So here what is the recently accessed node? 60. So 60 is the root node. So we can stop the process. So what is the next element? Insert 40. So what is the previous tree? 60, 20, 10. Now let us insert 40. 40 is less than 60. So left child. 40 is greater than 20. So right child. Right child. So which rotation we have to perform? Here the target node has parent as well as grandparent. So we have to perform two rotations now. Okay. So what is the first rotation? So this 20 is nothing but left child of 60. This 40 is nothing but right child of 20. So first we have to perform left rotation and then perform the right rotation. So left rotation means jag rotation. Jag rotation. So here different left right. So that means the first rotation will be performed on the parent, whereas the second rotation will be performed on the grandparent. If they are different, so zig-zag, jag-zig means first rotation will be performed on the parent, second rotation will be performed on the grandparent. So jag means left, left. So what is the root node? So here splay off. So first we have to perform the rotation on the parent. So splay off 20. So 60 is the parent node. So let us rotate one position to the left. So now its left child will become 40. Rotate 40 one position to the left. Next 20. Next 10. Next we have to perform one more. This jag is over. Next we have to perform this right rotation. So right means jig rotation. So this rotation will be performed on the grandparent. Grandparent means target node grandparent is 60. Splay of 60. So move 60. Yeah, this is right rotation. So move each node one position to the right. So 40 is the parent node, root node. So 40 right child is 60. Next left child 20. 20 left child 10. Next insert 50. Insert 50. So what is the previous tree? So 40 is the root node. Left child 20. Right child 60. 20 left child 10. Now we have to insert 50. 50 is greater than 40. So right. 50 is less than 60. 50 is less than 60. So left child. So which rotation we have to perform? Here insertion is over. So after every operation we have to perform splaying. Splaying means move the most recently accessed node to the root node. Here the recently accessed node is 50. So we have to move 50 to the root. So which rotation we have to perform? So this is nothing but right. This is nothing but left. So right means first we have to perform a jig rotation. Jig rotation. So here different rotations. Zig-zag. So different means the first rotation will be performed on the parent. Next rotation will be performed on the grandparent. So splay of 60. So jig means right. So there is no need to change the top node. So keep it as same only 40. So 40 left children are 20, 10. 20, 10. Next move 60 one position to the right. Move 50 one position to the right. So 50, 60. Next we have to perform, this is nothing but left child. Left child means we have to perform jag rotation. Jag rotation. Splay off. Splay off. Here the first one is performed on the first rotation is performed on the parent. So next rotation will be performed on the grandparent. So this target node grandparent is 40. So splay of 40. Splay of 40. So this is jag rotation. So jag means left rotation. Okay. So now this 50 will be moved one position to the left. So 50 right child, 60 is moved one position to the left. Next 40 will be moved one position to the left. Next 20. Next 10. So here what is the recently accessed node? 50. So 50 is the target node. So we can stop the process. Now what is the last node? 30. Insert 30. So let us write the previous tree. So 50, 40, 60, 20, 10. So here we are inserting 30. 30 is less than 50. So left. 30 is less than 40. Left. 30 is greater than 20. So right. So which rotation we have to perform? So this target node has parent as well as grandparent. So we have to perform two rotations. So here the first rotation is, this is left. So first rotation is jag rotation. So the second rotation is right rotation. So left rotation means jag rotation. So here different rotations. Different rotations means the first rotation will be performed on the parent. So target node parent is 20. So splay of 20. So this is left rotation. So keep the first two nodes as it is. So 50, 40, 60. So move 20 one position to the left. So 30 one position to the left. So 30, move 20 one position to the left. Move 10 one position to the left. Okay. Next rotation is right rotation. So right rotation means zig rotation. Zig rotation. So splay of, here the second rotation will be performed on the grandparent. Grandparent is 40. Splay of 40. Splay of 40. Okay. Zig means right rotation. Okay. Right rotation. Okay. So keep the first two nodes as it is. So 50, 60. So move each node one position to the right. So move 40 one position to the right. So now 50 children will become 30. 30 left children is 20. 20 left children is 10. Next move 40 one position to the right. So 30 right child will become 40. So move 40 one position to the right. Okay. So 50, 60. So 30 is the root node, 30 is the parent. Yeah, this is the tree. Okay. Let's check here. Here what is the recently accessed node? 30. But here 30 is not the root node. So that means playing is not completed yet. So we have to perform one more rotation. So here this is the target node. Here the target node is nothing but root node's children. So one rotation is enough. Okay. So which rotation? Here this is nothing but left children. Left children means we have to perform right rotation. So right rotation means we have to perform zig rotation. Zig rotation. Splay of, what is the root node there? 50. Splay of 50. So now 30, move 30 one position to the right. So 30 children 50. 50 children right children 60. Next 30 left children 20. 20 left children 40. 10. Next we have one more node, that is 40. 40 will become left child of 50. Or we can follow BST rules. Okay. 40 means greater than 30. So right. 40 is less than 50. So in this way we can solve any problem by constructing splay tree very easily. Okay. In the next video we'll see one